You're seeing garbage on my desk. If I tilt a little further this way. Okie doke. Alrighty guys, welcome to the Hughes Compound Southern Command. I want to thank Enterprise Cloud 9 for providing the money to produce the video and buy these stuff. I also want to thank my Patreon supporters, so Andy Mouse, John Hollinger, Umar Sear, Matt Shamp, Token Linux Guy, and Ian Fox, who's Ian from Calgary. Uh-oh, we tilted over too far. Do I have to tighten this up? And let's see, hopefully that goes. I'll bring it over this way. Alrighty, this is the second router, I've got a router giveaway going on. So if you go to flyingrich.com and the contest is still active, you can go there and see that. But this is the MK270 Logitech. I got this, I think it was 22 bucks from Amazon. It's a wireless keyboard mouse. It's not a crazy high-end keyboard. It's actually kind of a budget-conscious keyboard, but I do like it. I'll tell you what I do like it for. Oh, okay, so here's the dongle. So if you're constantly plugging things in and out, this may be, like I use it for Raspberry Pi type stuff and other devices. So you may, one solution might be putting some tape on it so you can pull it out by the tape, but that may be some consideration of yours. Mouse, you know, nice, decent shaped mouse. It's not a brick. And keyboard. So the keyboard is, and it comes with the batteries, which you activate by pulling here. There's an on-off switch, and it's on. I'm just going to turn it off for now. Nice. You know, it's not a clicky tactile keyboard, but nice overall keyboard. You do have multimedia functions on it, which are nice, but mainly, and boom, pull here, power it up. Just in case you're wondering, single AA battery here. Let's see what these puppies are here. All right, so it's 2 AAA. And you know what? Just so I don't wear this out, I am going to turn it off. But again, going on Amazon, nice keyboard. I'll include a link in the bottom of the video. Again, thanks to my Patreon supporters, sponsors, and thanks to ec9.us or enterprisecloud9.com for all of your server virtualization needs. Contact them if you need help. Thank you, guys.